love it, the underdogs on top. And I'm gon' shine, homie, until my heart stops.
What's up, YouTube? You guys know I gotta bring you somebody else. You know, I'm trying to make sure these painters, these painters that are out here supporting me, I always want to make sure I show support back. Like I said in so many videos, a lot of these channels, especially smaller channels, they just get buried out there. So I try to do what I can to shine a little light on them. So this channel belongs to my man Nate Dogg of Nate Dogg Auto Customs out in Georgia. Recently he tried the old my clear out. He shot a helmet. He did a good job, YouTube. So I am here to show you guys Nate Dogg's channel. I'm here to give you guys Nate Dogg's review, and you guys, as always, can go check out his channel. The link will be in the comment below, and you guys can check out his channel, support him, subscribe, see what's going on. All right, YouTube, I appreciate it. So on that note, let's get to the video.
Got that Grant 7. I'm about to shoot on that on them helmets over here. Shout out to Grant 7. Back with you, YouTube. About to do this Grant 7. I already put the catalyst in it. Stir it real good. I already put it on the shaker. So let that simmer a bit. Looking real good, YouTube. This Grant 7 is the truth, YouTube. Alright, YouTube. Back with you with the last coat. Spraying with that water. Put you back on the pod. Let's do it. Alright, YouTube. That was the last coat. 3 coats. Grant 7, A1. One thing good about this Grant 7, they emphasize that no buff needed. And I see why.